Inferior alveolar nerve. Inferior alveolar nerve is a large terminal branch of the posterior division of the mandibular nerve. It runs vertically downwards, lateral to the medial pterygoid and to the sphenomandibular ligament. It enters the mandibular canal. It is accompanied by the inferior alveolar artery. Branches. Mylohyoid branch contains all the motor fibers on the posterior division. It arises just before the inferior alveolar nerve enters the mandibular foramen. It pierces the sphenomandibular ligament with the mylohyoid artery, runs in the mylohyoid groove, and supplies the mylohyoid muscle and anterior belly of the digastric. While running in the mandibular canal, the inferior alveolar nerve gives branches that supply the lower teeth and gums. Mental nerve emerges at the mental foramen and supplies